In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use text-to-speech in Kapwing. This is an incredibly useful tool whether you're looking to enhance your video with professional narration or simply want to add a voiceover without recording audio yourself. Kapwing makes this process straightforward and intuitive, and by following along, you'll master it in no time. First, let's start by heading over to Kapwing's website. Open your browser and go to the Kapwing Studio editor. Once you're at the home page, you'll notice a clean and user-friendly interface that sets the stage for a smooth editing experience. Next, click on the Media tab. This is where you'll upload the file you want to work with. Whether it's a video clip or an image, make sure it's all set to integrate the text-to-speech feature. Simply locate your file and upload it. Kapwing supports a wide range of formats, making this an accommodating step for almost any project. After you've uploaded your media, your next move is to click on the AI voice option. This is where the magic begins. Selecting this option allows you to start incorporating automated voiceover into your media. It's a game changer for creating content quickly and efficiently. Once you've accessed the AI voice feature, the next logical step is to paste your script into the provided text box. This is the script you want your AI voice to read aloud. Make sure your text is well written and clear, as this will help ensure that the final output sounds cohesive and polished. Now, it's time to select a voice for your project. Click on Select Voice to bring up a menu of available voices. Kapwing offers a variety of voices with different tones and inflections to match the mood and style of your content. Take your time to preview these options and select the one that best suits your project needs. After picking a voice that fits the bill, you'll choose your AI voice. This step ensures that your script is paired with a voice that brings out the best in your narrative. The choices here can really add character and authenticity to your project. Finally, once you've selected and customized your voice, click on Add Layer to finalize the addition of the AI-generated voiceover to your media file. This simple action seamlessly integrates the audio with your visual content, rounding out the creation process. And that's it. Congratulations! You've successfully used Kapwing's text-to-speech tools to elevate your media project. Remember, the more familiar you become with these steps, the more you can experiment and fine-tune your future projects. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and until next time,